The Banana Story, or the exciting life of a banana from the plantation to the supermarket in 3 minutes. A Dole banana at your supermarket has already spent nearly a year in the tropics and travelled thousands of kilometres, and that's what this story is about. It all starts, for instance, at a Dole plantation in Costa Rica, the Bananito farm. To grow bananas, you need lots of sun and water, good soil, and many expert hands. Each young banana plant is carefully cultivated by hand. Within 9 months, it grows to 4 to 6 meters in height. Then a large stem is formed that later bears the bananas. With time, the banana stem grows to 30 to 50 kilos in weight. If the plant weren't secured in place, it would fall over under its own weight. Banana plants are specially cared for, time and again. This includes tending to the fruits and plants, continuous quality control, and much more. As a precaution, the bunches are even wrapped in plastic bags to protect them from insects and bad weather. At the Bananito farm in Costa Rica, over 1 million banana plants receive such special care each year. A bunch holds about 200 bananas. When they're ready to harvest is decided on a plant-by-plant basis, some sooner, others later. But they're all harvested green, since they have a long journey ahead of them and ripen at a later stage. The freshness clock begins ticking immediately. The workers hang the bananas onto the cableway. This means the bananas and their delicate peels arrive safe and sound at the packing station. This is also where quality selection takes place. The hands of bananas are separated from the bunch, divided up, washed in water, and transported on wood. And only if all is well, the seal of approval is applied, the Dole sticker with the farm code. It shows where your banana comes from. Then the fruit is carefully packed in boxes, loaded onto containers, and taken to the port. The reefer ship sails across the Atlantic to Europe in 12 days. During transportation, the cold chain must not be interrupted. The bananas are constantly stored at 13.3 to 14.4 degrees Celsius to avoid both premature ripening and chilling. They're kept in a sort of biological deep sleep. At the port of arrival, the bananas are checked once again to ensure they are in good condition after their long journey. Then it's off to the ripening chamber. There the bananas are gently awakened, and in 6 or 7 days they are bright yellow and sweet, perfect for delivery. Over the next 2 to 5 days, you get to enjoy the banana of your choice, yellow with green tips or sweet with freckles. And this is where the story of our bananas comes to an end, right at your supermarket around the corner. Enjoy!